abakade bona weqembu uAmos Masondo noPanyaza Lesufi bazobambisana kwesokuba abaxhumanisi baleli qembu kulesi sifundazwe. Ephendula ngokubuyiswa kukaLesufi, unobhala jikelele waleli qembu uthe iANC iyabethemba ubuholi bakhe.
The ANC leadership have shown a vote of confidence in Panyaza's leadership in government, and that is why he is retained. Because anything other than that would have shown that we don't have confidence in his leadership in government or otherwise.
Umbalula uthi ukusuka manje okuseqhulwini ukwakha kabusha amagatsha eANC eGauteng.
The immediate task in Gauteng is to rebuild ANC branches, leagues and structures so that they are actively engaged in local development and responsive to the needs of the people. The ANC brand and communications must be strengthened to reaffirm the organization's leadership role in the province.
Kulesifundazwe uPanyaza Lesufi kanye noNomantura Lehoko Nkomo baphinde babuya kulobuholi osebuhlelwe kabusha. Kanti KwaZulu-Natal kube uSiboniso Duma kanye noNomagugu Similane.